Good morning, Timeline Cleanse. Yeah, I got a wet spot. I got out there in the hose and showered off and ready to go cut some Nephilim hair. Check out my shirt. How do you guys like that shirt? Huh? Check out this shirt. Yeah, actual Beatles. Yeah. Good old holster. That powder holster. Anyway, for Timeline Cleanse, I mentioned it in a video too. Sean Connery, Zardoz. Guy's buff. He's walking around like Adam. You know, Faggot Abbott would love to see him as well as Bobby Ballbags. For the rest of you, great book, Lost Scriptures. In here, the protocol of Gospel of James. See that? It's about the birth of Mary. Pretty cool shit. All right. And I'm coming after you, Camilla Harris, you witch, you bitch. See this, guys? Black's Law Dictionary. Inside, I got a page. I'm going to start using it on all of you. Give you a legal education. See that book? My Bible looks the same. So good morning, Nancy. With all respect, I admire you. I was just being flirtatious. Says my grandfather, watching him, the Curse of the Generations. He was a flirt. It grew off on me. Nancy, Abbott, Raven, grandson, grasshopper turds, wake up. Please fucking wake up.